Hey guys, this is Sam. I'm just going to show you today how to set a T-Rex trap, which is a long black tunnel trap, as well as a Victor trap, which is like a traditional mouse or rat trap inside of a wooden box. Okay, a little video here with my chickens, showing you how to set one of the, what they call a Victor trap. This is from Urban Arc. Now, you can pull the cage off the back and gently slide the trap out, and now that you've got it, you want to just see the bait's been taken, so just firmly push down on the trap. And now I need my second hand to remove the little stay, so that it is now not obstructing, and I'll just carefully release the what you call it. Now the chickens are enjoying the peanut butter, and we'll just pop a little peanut butter right here at the end of the foot pedestal, and you can put it nice around the end. Not for you, not for you. Okay, now here it is. We will reset it. Like so, and carefully release it, not get your fingers or chickens in the way, and then pop it back in. Obviously facing towards the little entry tunnel. Okay girls, that's enough for you. And that's how you do that. Well, now we will go and find the T-Rex tunnel and see how to do that one. Okay, so I actually used the T-Rex indoors and without the cage to catch mice, but it is designed for a rat trap. So as you have probably seen, we open it up with this key, just push it in, shove it into the keyhole, and open it up. As I said, this is a fresh tunnel because I don't normally use the tunnels. You want to just close this up, so by pushing down firmly here, you can flip the foot pedal down and gently close it, and then clip it into the trap in the back like this. You can do it this way, like that, or you can also flip it around. If you just want to use one of them in here, you can flip it around like this and lock it in to place, like so, and then pop the bottom, and that's it, done. I've got another one of these over here behind the sofa. So this one has not got peanut butter in it, so I'll do that as a demonstration. So flip the bottom, grab your peanut butter, there's your peanut butter, pop it open, and I'm going to load it into this little hole in here. Now that you can go that way, or you can also turn it around and open up this little gizmo, load it up nice and safe, and then pop it back in the gap, and you're done. Just do the back over. Now, because I'm not putting it in the trap, I'll just pop it back over here. And there we have it. Hopefully that helps. Cheers. Aside from baiting the actual trap, you can also bait up around the area, put some lure, that is, just to scent up the space and attract your target rats and species into the area. That's all from me. Thanks. Hope you have a good time catching invasive predators and saving wildlife.